Was there any time when any of you were like, man, I wish my car was metallic purple because that's the hot right now?
No.
Never.
No.
I've been straight my whole life, so.
Really fun car to drive. Only issues is I lost the pink for the car. This is a no-title car.
Jesus Christ.
It has problems, it misfires, pero quiero hacerlas. But it wants to accelerate. Low revolutions, it's not revving high.
The little Z that couldn't.
It needs a battery. I'm selling as is, clean title.
All it needed was salvage title to hit the 350Z bingo.
Okay, they call me Little Cargo. My car leaks oil from St. Louis to Chicago. Nowadays I drive a 350Z. Clothes from Adidas, curl from the Middle East. I slap squat, girl. Watch me bend my knees. Get inside my Nissan, I am begging you, please. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. My cassette player playing all the funky techno. I said 350Zs, 350Zs. Oh my god, man, I leave oil on the streets. 350Zs, 350Zs. Oh my god, man, I leave oil on the streets. Oh.
God damn.
God. Damn, that dude brought the
Is
heat.
it f***ing hot in here or is it me?
God.
Holy
Damn.
Shout out to Ukraine, though.
I think it's time we look at the people's sled.
Oh, damn. Look at the cheeks on Master Chief.
Master Cheeks.
Oh, wait. The neck you're collapsed.
Clapping the covenant.
Neckir, you should sell these with you in front of the SEMA sign.
Oh,
Dude. Anyway, what's wrong with this one?
Let's take a look. It's got 118K. Only con needs torque converter. So the con here is that it's an automatic.
Yes. Is
That's
that
a
it's
big con.
piece of garbage.
There's just a stream of dead rats coming out of it also. Like, what?
Yo.
I think those are leaves, but yeah.
Look like giant cockroaches.
okay, I'm back. And because you want to talk that shit, guess what? I'm gonna eat Cheez-Its.
God damn it, dude.
Yeah.
We got some junkers from Vukos. We got an 05.
Not from me, from Carson in the Discord.
Thank you, Carson. Here's an 05 350Z coupe for $2,500 at a dealership 13 weeks ago in Punta Gorda. 300 miles. Godspeed coilovers, welded diff, harness bar, roller.
Hell
Nice.
yeah.
This is a piece of shit.
Clapped. Is that the rocker? Is that the side skirt or the rocker in the fucking car?
The side skirt. Oh,
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
No, it's the whole ass rocker.
There's a lot of extra meat on whatever that is. Yeah, $2,500.
Rest in piss.
Won't be
Mega
missed.
piece of shit.
Here's a shot. We got 06 350Z, $9,000 10 weeks ago in Fort Lauderdale.
I think if it's pink, you have to go to the doctor.
If you've got kids, you recognize that color because it's the penicillin. So it's penicillin already treated.
oh, the bubblegum medicine.
Yeah, the bubblegum penicillin. Exactly.
Yeah, I used to sneak swigs of that when I was little. It'd be chilling in the fridge.
Yeah.
That
You know, like I'm
explains a lot.
taking a little nip, put it back.
She's freshly painted. Oil's been changed every 2,500 miles. Sus. Rebuilt title. Just testing
Sus.
the waters.
Also
looking
sus.
for trade. Mainly manual, JDM or European, or best offer, no bikes. $9,000 for a repainted
Salvage title.
salvage title. Yeah, this is a piece.
Oh, it's a manual. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sucks.
How much red do
Is
you
that-
need,
what the
dog? They put a drum on here? What is this?
He painted the whole caliper.
And the rotor.
Yeah, it's got like the
and
center of the
the
rotor.
axle. maybe the rear diff.
I paid for the whole can. I'm using the whole can.
05 350Z, $4,000, Estero, Florida,
Dang.
123,000 miles. Runs and drives good, not perfect, hence why so cheap. Needs AC lines and power steering pump, needs shift boot, no grinds or pop-outs, needs paint or wrap, has quick release steering wheel, cold air intake, factory radio works great, heated and electronic leather seats, no rips or stains, true dual exhaust from the headers, which are Spec D, I think. Bully Dog tuner with digital screen, AFR, temp, etc. Nats deleted ECU was $400.
When I hear bully dog, I associate it with diesel trucks.
I associate it with like really stout, jacked dogs.
But then, the next line, though, also comes with pedal commander. So how many different things does he have going on here? What is
All of them plug into
this?
the OBD2 port. Yeah.
All the shit plugs into the cigarette lighter and gives you an extra 5 miles per gallon. Has real fiberglass veil side wing, $1,100, 30 pounds. No, the hatch doesn't stay open. What?
Wait, what?
Jesus Christ.
It doesn't stay open because of the fucking wing.
Because it's got 30 pounds of fucking veil slide on the ass.
Why does it look like
Jesus.
shit?
Because it is.
Look at that Mark 5.
Because it is.
Yeah, it's a
Parked in a
sad yard.
field.
God. And this
Dude, this is the most Florida ass
yeah,
thing.
look at that dude's backyard. That thing's where people go to die, not just cars.
It's a swamp.
Look up Bully Dog 350Z though, real quick.
Is that like runes from like Doom Eternal? The Bully Dog Triple Dog GT.
Triple Dog.
I had no idea
Triple.
Gas
Bully
tuner.
Dog did for fucking Z's.
Do you think you can get that for Gibbity Goo Gas?
I think so.
No,
It's
that
tuned to
Z's
run
got
on-
that dog in him now.
Yeah. I do also love that they say tune your 350Z and they couldn't even bother to find a 350Z picture. That's a 370.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's even better.
Come on,
That's
man.
close enough. What does it say that it does for $500?
The regular power level provides the right boost with a gain of up to 20 horsepower. And lastly, the premium model gives a spectacular experience while driving and makes towing quite easy. Makes towing quite easy because it's written for
Right, this is like it's diesel truck.
How do you?
Yeah, look at that. That 370Z is running 25 pounds of boost.
Yeah, but it can tow a f***ing house, man.
Yeah.
Power level extreme.
Imagine some dude like
Extreme.
Bully Dog.
throwing
Triple Dog.
ropes around a house.
How do you
Idiocracy
wind
stuff.
up? How do you wind up buying that as the tuner for your 350Z?
It was the cheapest one.
Yeah. You just plug this in
There it is.
and you get 20 horsepower.
The box said 20 horsepower.
My ass.
Trying to talk some shit.
Discord.gg/feed.
Let's talk some shit.
Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money.
Here is an 03 350Z, $3,500 2 days ago in Garland, Texas. And Necker, could you read that one?
It has problems, it misfires, but pero quiero hacerlas. But it wants to accelerate low revolutions. It's
The
not
little
revving
Z
high.
that couldn't.
It needs a battery. Se vende, I'm selling as is. Clean title. Ocupada. I don't know what that means.
Yeah. All it needed was salvage title to hit the 350Z bingo.
So
Oh shit! Old logo R Racing.
yo, it's wearing, it's wearing it like a shirt.
Imagine the black is like the shirt and the pink is the skin.
Oh, dude.
It's hot, dude. Like He-Man.
Damn, you got abs.
That's like goatsy.
That
But
shirt
it's
could
only
get
on
it,
the
yeah.
passenger side. Like, why not put it over the driver's side?
Well, when you're sitting in the driver's seat, you don't have to look at it. So
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Did you know
Big
that
brain time.
Garland is actually that's the city that Arlen, Texas, from King of the Hill. That's what it's based on.
I did not know that.
So this feasibly could be Enrique's 350Z.
Damn, for real?
You talk about Hank's assistant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was his name?
hmm He's like, "Hey, Mr. Hill,
Yeah.
come to my house."
this up there. You know what? This is canon now. It's Enrique's 350Z.
Yep, there you go.
Look at that
this piece of
skirt. What the fuck is that?
But like the other side's bent the other way.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a helicopter now.
No. It's NASCAR, dude. It's
Yeah, I
for
was
turning
gonna
left.
say.
Oh, he's got the hood scoop from that Magnum on the back.
Oh yeah, on his window. What? Why?
This is CCF bingo, man. It's got it all. It's fucking ducktail.
This car has no issues, he says.
This car has no
None.
issues. Runs perfectly fine. No
Yeah,
leaks. No
okay.
overheating. Auto, moving.
Wait, it changed color. Was the first one blue?
No,
or
it's
is that
just-
just overexposed?
It's just
It's the
odd
reflection, but I
exposure.
thought it was blue. I thought it was
Look at
blue.
the
I thought it
no,
was
dude,
blue.
go back. Look at that. Look at the like wrap or plastic dip or whatever the hell is going on by the bottom of that tail light.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gross.
It
So
might have
it's-
been blue in that picture.
This
Jesus.
is baffling, man. Because look how it's been taped off here around the turn signal or whatever, or reverse
Yeah, they did
light.
a terrible job of like shoving the tape in
And
there.
then also
yeah.
how this is all blue.
And look at how like all the that came out of the exhaust is like there on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
It kind of looks like he's washing the paint off at the DIY car wash. Like it looks like this is
Sounds
also
like he
the
had to
same color.
stop. And it's like, oh, I'll get it all washed up for.
He's
for
like, I got to get some
pictures."
stars off of me real quick.
What do you mean plastic dip isn't cool anymore? Oh,
So it's got
dude,
a
this
fresh
is
coat
awful.
of black plastic dip.
The quick release on the stock bumper that is probably
course.
bolted to the car still.
And the damaged fender.
Guys will see this picture and be like, I can fix her.
No, it's got no issues.
We got no issues.
got no issues.
We got
No
no
issues.
issues.
Comes with $10.
Is that orange juice?
No, that's he's got to go see a doctor. That's what that is.
It's just urine sample.
No, he's seeing it right now, dude. He's got his cranberry juice. He's washing it out. No
Oh,
good.
Yeah,
shit.
he's trying to pass a drug test.
That's a person sitting in the passenger seat.
Oh yeah. No, this is a deal. Like there's money, cranberry juice, and a dirty looking in the passenger seat.
And the piss.
Auto, moving. Can't take all 3 of my cars. Everything works how it should. It is tuned with 5 maps as well, so it's got like the up rev on it. Really fun car to drive. Only issues is I lost the pink for the car. This is a no title car.
Jesus Christ! Like 4 months ago when I moved. Get a new one, you jackass!
But I do have bill of
moving
sale and the Reg 227 from the DMV for the title transfer, and it is under my name. Let me know if interested. No trades, cash only. Firm.
What do these idiots think you're going to do with a no title car?
Here is a 2007 350Z for $6,000 2 days ago in Chicago, Illinois. It has 105,000 miles. The price is pretty firm. It does have a rebuilt title. Car drives fine, 6-speed manual, ideal for drifting. We'll need driver's license and proof of funds before test drive. And it has the HR motor, which is correct for the year.
That's right. That's the one you want. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be fine. But
Honestly, for drifting, this isn't bad.
no, it's not. $6,000.
But
What-
for
Dude, look at that
2,000 more,
rust
you could
coming
have bought
up
that
on
bitch
the,
on eBay.
Wait.
On the corner.
He's got whatever the these wheels are, but go back a picture. He's got the stack of the stock wheels in the corner of the garage.
Oh yeah, he's a drift boy, dude. This car's seen some shit.
He's
Look at that hole.
God,
it
it's rusted
hurts.
everywhere.
Oh shit! It's Look at the paint peeling on the
Yeah.
hatch.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Carbon shot.
No, $4,000. Airbag blown.
Oh yeah, airbags popped.
That's why it's a drift car.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it has a rebuilt
Drives
title.
fine, though.
Oh well, it already says rebuild title. Yeah, so you know the bag popped.
God, the interiors on these look so bad all the time.
Oh, they just wore down over time, like immediately.
How do you, first off, how do you open that thing so much? And second, how do you miss the handle so much?
Your cigarettes go in there, and you have really long fingernails. And I think that describes pretty much every 350Z owner.
Yeah.
And
Yep.
look at that stack of little trees. There's like 7 on there.
Yeah.
New
This
car
car
scent.
reeks.
Yeah, this car
Do
not.
stinks.
The basest of base models.
No cruise, no audio controls.
Yeah, the base model
nothing.
didn't even have cruise control.
Wait,
which,
for real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the Nissan bullshit.
And how are you gonna get Little Tree Jew tunnel scent?
What?
Why? Did they have new car scent Little Trees in the tunnel, or are you just
Yeah,
saying
I'm
that
not
because
following.
new and Jew are very similar?
Yeah, because new and Jew rhyme. I was gonna say Jew car smell.
Yeah.
But then I was like, oh, I'll say Jew tunnel.
I think Jew car smell would have been the move.
Yeah.
Okay, Jew car smell.
Oh, that's pretty good, Netgear.
Remember those Jew tunnels?
God damn it. No, I didn't. Thank you for reminding me.
We should get Jew car scent made up for the CCF.
No,
air
no, we
freshener.
shouldn't. We really shouldn't.
But what would it smell like?
It would smell like
God.
Old Toyota.
matzah.
Bro, we're like 15 minutes into this video and you still didn't hit like? I mean, if you want to be like that, okay, but I thought you and me, I thought we were cool. Hit like.
Here's an 04 350Z. It's free 2 days ago in Glen Allen, Virginia. It currently has a charging problem. I'm not sure what is causing it. Hold on. I'm not sure what's causing
What?
it. So the battery drains in a few minutes. The car would need to be towed
God,
home, but it
shit.
runs fine. In a few minutes.
This is an EV?
190,000 miles on the car, 75K on a new engine. It has a Sabon carbon fiber hood and a Sabon carbon fiber duckbill. It's missing a passenger seat and it has a Tomei exhaust. Shoot me any offers or questions. I am willing to trade it. It has a pink wrap that isn't done too well, so it will need to be redone or painted. The hood alone is worth $1,000. Same with the exhaust, and no, I will not take $1,000 on this
Okay.
automatic 350Z.
Oh, it's an automatic. It's missing the whole entire cluster.
I think that
And
might
look-
be where the energy
Look, there's
is
like
getting
lights
out.
everywhere. You see the LED strip right there next to the handbrake?
Yeah.
Why is
Oh,
my
yeah.
battery draining so fast?
Yeah.
There's a lot of electricity escape vectors in this one picture.
Motherfucker's battery cable's like smoking.
This makes me sad.
Drains in a few minutes, instant discharge with a full battery because all the LEDs they hacked in here.
Drifting.
Was there any time when any of you were like, man, I wish my car was metallic purple because that's the hot shit right now?
No.
Has there ever been a
Never.
time
No.
in your life where you were like, man, rapping is an interesting idea?
You know, I said, yeah, and then I paid for a shitty rap.
I've been straight my whole life, so
This one's
The only time I would say
Jesus.
that a rap is a not shitty idea would be a Natasha, because I would low-key want one of those, but not in my daily driver. Like if I had like a missile or some stupid track car, absolutely throw some anime titties on there, whatever.
yeah,
but
okay.
look at the license plate.
Drifting.
Dr.
in an
Ben.
automatic
Dr. F10.
purple.
F10.
F10. Ass man?
No. It's doctor stands for Dr. Fentanyl. He's a drug dealer.
So, well, that's better than anything I had.
It's weird how many of these are automatic too, and like still living this hood rat life.
Yeah, straight frontin'.
Bitch, you live like this?